Hello. In this lesson, we're going to look at some useful phrases to talk about what lawyers do. If you're already a lawyer, this will help you to talk about your work. If you're not a lawyer yet, it will help you to describe what kind of lawyer you want to be. As a lawyer, you'll need to deal with clients. When a client comes to see you to tell you what they want, we say that you take instructions. We can also say this if we need to speak to our client during a negotiation. For example, I need to take my client's instructions on your offer. When you have your client's instructions, they might just need to know what the legal position is. In this case, you would advise your client. For example, a good criminal lawyer will always advise their client not to speak to the police, or you might advise a client on a decision they're making. Your client might want you to write a contract or some other legal document. In this case, we use the word draft. For example, I can draft you a contract to use in your new business. Sometimes businesses and individuals disagree on contracts, and therefore it might be necessary to issue proceedings. This is where the lawyer files a claim with the court to start the litigation process. In these situations, both parties often try to reach an agreement so that it doesn't go to court. In this case, it's your duty to negotiate a settlement. If it looks like the case will go to court, you may want to get an experienced advocate, a barrister in England and Wales, to argue the case. In this case, you need to brief counsel. In other words, you need to tell them what the case is and what you think are the strengths and weaknesses. The document that sets out all of this information is called a brief. When the court day arrives, you'll need to attend the hearing. This means to go to the court and watch or participate in the trial. There may also be hearings before the court date for summary judgment or an interim payment. In each case, the judge will hear the case. If you're the advocate in court, you may need to examine a witness. This means you ask the witness questions to support your client's case. If you're questioning a witness who is there to support the other side's case, then you cross-examine the witness in order to find problems with their evidence. Now it's your turn. If you're a lawyer, which of these things do you do in your job? If you're a student, which ones are you looking forward to?